Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you the tutorial of skeletal system working model. With the help of quilling papers, we are going to make the skeletal system model. After joining the quilling papers, start rolling the quilling papers as shown. As this is the most requested video from my subscribers, I am just highlighting the old skeletal system model as I have limited resources and time. Here I made a small roll because I ran out of the quilling papers. Just to show how the skull is made, I made this roll. Once the roll is done, gently press in the middle of the roll. Apply the glue inside in order to secure the shape. In the similar way, make the same size of another roll of the quilling papers and follow the same step. This is the old model. Give the facial features highlights to the skull. To prepare the upper and lower limb bones, we need these type of paper rolls. In order to make these upper limb bones, first take a thread and tie the paper rolls as shown. Clavicle, humerus, radius ulna, hands. Next, let's try to connect the skull with the body. As this is the old model, some of its parts went missing, so I am remaking them again. To make the rest of the body, I use two threads here. To support the vertebral column, I use two beads. This is our vertebral column, femur, tibia, fibula, foot. This is rib cage. It's just a paper roll highlighted with the ribs on it. Now the vertebral column needs to be fixed inside the rib cage. Pelvic bones, Now let's connect the rest of the body with the skull. Apply some glue over the clavicle and connect the ribcage to the clavicle. To make the skeletal system puppet, tie the threads as shown. Now I am showing the points where the threads need to be tied. So our puppet is ready. If you have any doubts regarding this, please comment.